93% of customers read online reviews before buying a product. They spend maximum time to find the best and the most honest review about that product. It's just they don't know how to get the detailed info about that product at a particular place. Hi, my name is Devasri Prasad. If you are looking for the best and the most honest review video, then you are at the right place. I am an affiliate marketer. I have been into online marketing since 1 year. You can find me on Instagram by the name The Marketing DPS. I do these review videos so that you can get the best deals in the upcoming softwares and courses. During this video, I am going to give you a quick walkthrough and demo of exactly what this does and how this works basically in a nutshell. Make sure you stay until the end of this video. So let's get started. So here I am inside the bonus page of Koincart. This is my crazy bonus bundle which I am going to provide you, and this is Koincart, where you can install new cryptocurrency selling systems for local clients with revolutionary technology hands-free. This is live and you can get an early buy discount and the bonuses before 11:59 PM Tuesday, August 16th, and you can click here to get Koincart now. Once you click on this link or any of these red buttons in my special bonus page which I will provide in below, you will be redirected to their sales page. This is the sales page of Koincart, where it shows that in just you can tap into the 3 trillion cryptocurrency industry with eager clients anywhere. This make easy sales, helping millions of small businesses everywhere sell products with cryptocurrency checkout. And here is the video. You can come and check this in their sales page. You can get results in 3 easy steps. They have mentioned the 3 easy steps how you can get results. Step 1, businesses in need reach out. Step number 2, install their site and cryptocurrency checkout in a click. Step 3, they grow and you get paid. These are the 3 simple steps, and these are the features that has been included. Here you can see some of the features like let small businesses accept cryptocurrency for products, auto delivery and auto membership creation, gorgeous drag or drop done for you suit templates, sell digital or physical products in a click, sales and product analytics, accept multiple cryptos and stable coins, commercial and agency rights, and so much more. You can get local and online business clients fast. No monthly fees, special but early discount today. You can get access by clicking on this link, and they have a 14 days money back guarantee. And these are some of the testimonials. You can come and read over here. So businesses are desperate to accept cryptocurrency due to its revolutionary potential. We all know cryptocurrency is booming right now. So crazy low transaction fees, chargeback and fraud protection, centralized processor protection, instant international selling, customer convenience, and crypto adoption is surging. So you can get this. You can see this is the point given by Google. Cryptocurrency is being adopted faster than the internet was. This is told by Finbold. 90% of businesses who accept crypto see big growth. And here's some of the more stats you can come and find over here. So this has been said by Elon Musk. Paper money is going away. Cryptocurrency bypasses currency controls. Paper money is going away, and crypto is a far better way to transfer values than a piece of paper. That's for sure. You can see. And just owning crypto can significantly increase small biz revenue. But 99% of small businesses have no idea how to accept crypto payments hassle-free. This is the sales page. You can come and see in details, and here it is cryptocurrency works in 4 easy steps. You can see just number 1, you have to create a product. You can come, this is how it looks like. And number 2, you can choose your crypto payment methods. Just you have to choose the crypto payment methods. And step number 3 is create a Web3 style sales site or embed their payments widget. Just like this. In step number 4, you can export reports and get paid. That's it. So here is the demo in the sales page. and some unique features never seen before in any app include revolutionary cryptocurrency payments technology, accept cryptocurrency stable coins and fiat in the most ways possible, Web3 style of done for you sales templates, drag and drop page creation technology, product delivery, membership creation after the payment, and organized by client, sell digital or physical products with crypto checkout, done for you cloud hosting and custom domain names. So these are some of the more points. You can come, and if you will click on this, you will get access to it. And also within the 14 days money back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. You can come and check in details. So if I will come to my bonus page, you can find over here, I will provide this bonus page link below, and once you click on this link, you will be redirected to that sales page which I just shown you, and you can watch the demo in my bonus page. And here is this is me, and I make review videos of new products every day so that you can take the decision to access it just by going through my review. So this special launch price and bonuses will expire very soon, so you can click here to secure your copy and bonuses. So what is Koincart all about? So Koincart is a first to marketing tech that allows businesses anywhere to sell digital or physical products with cryptocurrencies checkout fast and easy, creates gorgeous sales sites with templates and auto delivers products after crypto purchase. This transformational tool comes with agency rights, allowing marketing companies to set up crypto payments and membership for fees. So this is the angle. Cryptocurrency adoption is skyrocketing faster than internet adoption was. Small businesses are eager to integrate crypto payments due to their revolutionary potential. After all, there is insanely low fees, reach millions of untapped international customers, protection from centralized processors, no chargebacks or frozen funds, accumulate deflationary coins that will rise in value, and so much more. But 99% of small businesses have no easy way of accepting cryptocurrency. That's where Koincart comes in. Koincart is a first to marketing technology that allows businesses anywhere to sell digital or physical products with cryptocurrency as payment fast and easy in the most way possible, and auto deliver digital or physical products after checkout. It comes with agency rights, meaning marketing agency can install it for a fee or service every business will soon have to have. So here are some of the main features. I will just read out some of the features. You can come and check out my bonus page, which link I will be providing in the description below. So one of the main features is revolutionary cryptocurrency payments tech, then auto delivery and membership setup, done for you Web3 site templates, accept crypto many different ways, drag or drop technology, sell digital or physical products, agency and commercial rights. So how Koincart works in 4 steps I have already shown you. So these are the prices and upsells. You can see the front end price is only for $39. So if I'll go to the sales page, and this is the coupon code. If you are applying coupon code Koin special KOIN, so you are going to get a $2 off, and you will be getting this for $37 instead of $39, the front end one. You can access the powerful Koincart software, step-by-step video training, bonuses and support. So here I have explained everything, what are the things that are providing. So similarly, these are the some upsells. You will be having all these upsells if you are taking the bundle, which total price, but in this special launch period, you will get massive discount, one-time price. If you are getting all this for OTOs and the front-end product, which is for $756, but in the special launch deal it is only for $264. And here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. You can sell any type of product with cryptocurrency checkout, auto deliver products and membership after crypto payment, Web3 style done for you site templates in niches that want crypto payments. And here are some more benefits. You can come and check this. So you can click here to secure your copy and bonuses. But now with this, I am providing all my custom bonuses which you will not find anywhere else. If you are buying through my link, you can get Koincart now and get all the bonuses below. Bonus number 1, the ultimate online marketing toolkit, 150 plus free resources whose value is $427. Bonus number 2, tips and tricks for business owners. Bonus number 3, which is cheat sheet for acquiring high paying clients. Bonus 4, which is 200 plus proven headline formulas to skyrocket your conversions. Bonus 5, the best ads from the world's best marketers. Bonus 6, cheat sheet for perfect ad copy. Bonus 7, 390 plus power words to transform your marketing starting today. Bonus 8, how to build a perfect landing page. Bonus 9, 5 to 6 revenue figures personal branding expert guide. Bonus 10, free 69 copywriting resources on web. So these are my custom bonuses. You can click here to secure your copy and bonuses. So after purchase, you will be instantly get your access just over here. You can come to my bonus page and see how you can get the access to all these bonuses instantly just after the purchase. So thanks for taking your time to check out my review and bonuses to your success. You can click here to secure your copy and bonuses. And it will take you to their sales page where you can learn more about this product, and you can get this by coming down and clicking on this Get Access Now button. And also after accessing this with my custom bonuses, you are going to get inside the members area these all bonuses that you are going to get. Agency client booking system. These bonuses you will find inside the members area after buying Koin Cart. Crypto agency VIP webinar ticket. Reseller rights to amazing agency flyers. Resell rights to local e-com site maker. Done for you local video spokespeople. Agency rights to Elite Video Player 2.0. White label rights to 800,000 done for you content articles. Reseller rights to 2000 plus jingle music tracks. Transparent images collection with reseller rights. So all these things you are going to get absolutely for free once you access Koincart front-end product also. No need to buy. If you don't want to buy the upsells or the bundle one, you can buy the front-end product just by coming over to any of my bonus page and clicking any of these links. It will redirect you to the sales page where you can click on this option, Get Access Now, and it will be instantly delivered to your cart. And after that, in the members area, you can find all these bonuses absolutely for free. So let's meet there. If you are interested in learning more about this product, then be sure to check out the first link in the description of my YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching my complete honest review video. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos helping you in finding the most helpful review videos and much more. I will speak to you in the next video. All the best. Take care. Bye.